Welcome to the OhioHealth Survivorship video lecture series. Today we're going to be learning about OhioHealth Mind, Body, and Oncology Counseling Program. I'm Lora Hanna. I'm trained as a clinical social worker and certified as a hypnotherapist and interactive guided imagery facilitator. And I've been providing mind-body services at OhioHealth's Integrative Care at the Bing Cancer Center since 2012. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration of the expanding your breath exercise. And this exercise I find helpful to promote healthy diaphragmatic breathing. I find it especially good for people who tend to hold their breath or breathe shallowly. And on its own, it's a very good relaxation activity. So for today's breathing exercise, I'm going to encourage you to get into a comfortable position, whether that is seated or lying down. Also to be sure that your clothing is comfortable, you don't have any restrictions around your abdomen so that you can breathe freely. I would also ask that you turn off any electronics that might be disruptive to you. So when you're ready, just close your eyes and turn your attention inward. And just begin noticing your breath. And as you notice your breath, invite your breath to soften and to slow. Invite your breath to deepen a bit. You might take the palm of one of your hands and place it just below your belly button on your abdomen. And as you invite your breath to slow and to deepen, you can be drawing your breath deeper into your body, allowing your lungs to expand, breathing slowly and deeply now, not having anything else to focus on except for your breath. Allowing your breath to expand down into your belly so that with each breath you may feel a gentle rising and falling in your lower belly, in your abdomen as you breathe. You might imagine that you're breathing into the palm of your hand. Allowing yourself to become more and more relaxed with each slow, deep breath. If any thoughts enter your mind, just let them gently drift away as you guide your awareness back to breathing. Slowly, deeply, expanding each breath down into your abdomen, knowing that when you breathe into your abdomen, you are engaging your diaphragm. The diaphragm sends signals up to the brain that communicate to all of the muscles in your body, encouraging them to release and relax. As you breathe deeply, you can allow your muscles to melt away any tension, relaxing further, allowing your breath to expand. Allowing yourself to be nurtured and nourished by your breath. Allowing yourself to sink into the rhythm of your breath. Continuing to breathe deeply, feeling your lower belly gently rising and falling. And as you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, Imagine now that you are expanding your breath. Imagine that you are expanding your breath into your legs and into your feet. Imagine that you are expanding your breath into your arms and into your hands. Imagine that you are expanding your breath into your head and into your brain. Imagine that you are expanding your breath just beyond the edges of your body. Breathing slowly and deeply, observing how slowing and deepening the breath changes the body. Observing how slowing and deepening the breath changes your mind. Observing feelings of warm relaxation throughout your body. Observing any experiences of calm, peace, or well-being. And knowing that you can bring yourself back to a place of calm, peace, and well-being anytime you choose by simply slowing and deepening your breath. Continue to take several more slow, deep breaths, still feeling that gentle rising and falling in your abdomen as you breathe. And now just begin noticing some sounds outside of yourself. Maybe the humming of air coming into the room, the noise of the lights, and now feeling your feet connected to the floor, your body connected to the support underneath it. Noticing the temperature of the air, and coming back to this time and this place. Take another few slow, deep breaths. And in your own time, at your own pace, go ahead and softly open your eyes. And for more information on the OhioHealth Mind, Body, and Oncology Counseling Program, please call Cancer Call at the numbers listed below. Thank you.